Hello and welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. I'm Yashashya, a team lead here at OnceHub, and today I'll walk you through the process of connecting your iCloud calendar to OnceHub so that OnceHub can sync your availability and automatically create events in your iCloud calendar. So without any further delay, let's get into it. Before proceeding further, please note that you need to generate an app-specific password to connect your iCloud calendar to OnceHub. And this is because Apple requires iCloud users to use an app-specific password for all third-party applications such as OneSub. An app-specific password is a single-use password for your Apple ID that lets OneSub securely access the information you store in your iCloud calendar. So let's quickly learn how to generate an app-specific password. So in order to generate an app-specific password, you can simply head to accounts.apple.com and you'll be required to sign in to your Apple account. Once you sign in, you'll be taken to this home page. On the home page, you can simply click on Sign in and Security. And once you scroll down, you'll see an option for app specific password. Simply click on or generate an app specific password, put in the application name you are looking to generate the app specific password for, and it'll give you the app specific password. You can just copy the password and just head to your OneSub account. Once you log into your OneSub account, you will be taken to this home page. From this home page, you can simply click on the profile icon on the top right and select User Integrations. On the Users Integrations page, look for the iCloud Calendar tile and select it. Once you select it, you'll see an option to connect your iCloud Calendar with OneSub. You can simply connect, put in your Apple ID, followed by the password which you just copied, and hit connect. Let's wait. And that's it. Your iCloud calendar is now connected to OneSub. From here on, OneSub will automatically read free busy events from your calendar, and whenever a booking would be scheduled, an event would be placed on your Apple calendar. If you run into any troubles or have any questions, check out our help article linked in the description box, or you can reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.